From last year, average sales has decreased by minus 34.2%. However, the average price has increased by 0.9%. For Mississauga, the number of sales was 487 units. The average price, $1,077,092. The average selling price versus list price was 97%, and the average days on market was 34 days. For Brampton, the number of sales was 508 units. The average price, $1,018,639. The average selling price versus list price was 97%, and the average days on market was 35 days. For Oakville, the number of sales was 167 units. The average price, $1.5 million, $87,619. The average selling price versus list price was 95%, and the average days on market was 42 days. For Milton, the number of sales was 153 units. The average price, $1,020,514. The average selling price versus list price was 98%, and the average days on market was 34 days. For Burlington, the number of sales was 211 units. The average price, $1,070,005. Average selling price versus list price was 96%, and the average days on market was 36 days. Thank you for watching this month's monthly market report. If you are planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, give us a call, or to get your detailed copy of this monthly market report, call us. We're here to help.